and we have created that reputation that we are not different from them, but we are also the part of them as well.
So how do you feel when you see the contrast in society, and what kind of emotions does it evoke in you?
मैं बस उदास नहीं होता कि मेरे पास ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं है. आई जस्ट थिंक कि अभी मेरे पास ऐसा क्या करूँ जो आगे चल के वो चीज़ मेरे पास हो.
One teacher has joined the school. She was saying that the students of here are speaking so good. They are better from the other schools.
I have to work even hard that मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को वो चीज़ दे पाऊँ जितना वो एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते. I want कि मैं उनको unexpected things का एक्सपीरियंस करवाऊँ.
And also, my biggest aim is to give a home to my parents, because right now we are not having a home in our village.
So if you were to meet a younger version of yourself, say who is in grade 1, then what advice will you give to that younger version of yourself?
तुम्हें जो मन कर रहा है वो करो, खाओ पियो सो खेलो, क्योंकि आगे चलकर तुम अपने मन की चीजें ज्यादा नहीं कर पाओगे.
Today's conversation is not about toppers, achievements, and perfect answers. It is to know the inner world of 3 young people, their fears, dreams, and hopes for the future. Coming from modest backgrounds, they hold both the struggle and the ambition together. And through this conversation, we will understand how is it to grow as a teenager in today's world with the pressures of social media, comparisons, and self-worth that is shaping the young people of today. So welcome Adarsh, Khushi and Sandhya to this podcast.
Thank you, sir.
They are all students of Lotus Petal Senior Secondary School in grade 11, and I will start by asking them how somebody would describe them in, say, a few sentences or a few words.
If someone would really express me in 3 words, so first would be creative, second, a lifesaver, and the third, a communicator.
So for me, the 3 words would be hardworking, disciplined, and traveler.
You know, as you go about in your life in the school, outside the school, in the community, have you felt that you're unseen and there is something which you wish people noticed about you? If you could share that.
I think I'm a person who is a sort of ambivert, because I also enjoy myself, being myself, and also I love people around me because I love connecting with people. So something which people notice about me, that I love experiences and real world experiences. The point is, I love to connect with people, I love to engage with people, I love to learn from them, and I really love to connect with people who are actually beyond the borders, not just staying within India or in the city only.
So you want to explore the world.
Yes.
I think that I am a very kind and caring person, but people take me as angry or arrogant.
So you wish that people see you as somebody who is kind. So when you feel that I'm a kind person, and somebody sees you as not being kind or being arrogant, then how does that impact you, or how do you deal with that situation?
I just think that if I am arrogant, if I am seen as an arrogant person by them, so मैं और ऐसा काम करूँ जिससे मैं kind दिखूँ, and that drives me to do more such things that make me kind, that make me see others like kind.
So you see that as an opportunity to increase your kindness
Yes, sir.
level so that people actually see it. So, we are living in this millennium city of Gurgaon, and the contrasts over here in society are very stark. Like right now, we are sitting here in a slightly rural setting, and in 5 minutes, you could go into a glitzy mall with all the luxury stores, and you have some very modest living here, and you also have these luxury high-rises, condominiums. So when you look at it from your lens, and there are some children who are going to schools which are like air conditioned, and they go in big cars, and you come to this school over here. So how do you feel when you see the contrast in society, and what kind of emotions does it evoke in you and also in your peer group?
I just जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है कि you feel like FOMO of these things that दूसरे लोग इतनी अच्छी अच्छी गाड़ियों में जा रहे हैं या फिर गाड़ियों में भी जा रहे हैं and they are like doing everything in their life, enjoying. So I just think कि एक दिन मेरे पास भी ये सब होगा and I am working hard for it. I don't get मैं बस उदास नहीं होता कि मेरे पास ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं है. I just think कि अभी मेरे पास ऐसा क्या करूं जो आगे चल के वो चीज़ मेरे पास हो. I take it as an challenge and I think I see that thing in an optimistic way.
And to get there, you are also very clear that you're going to do it in the right way, with your hard work and discipline, and not take any shortcut, right?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. So do I feel the same, and I also I don't want to demoralize by seeing that they are doing very higher things, because they have a different background and we have a different background. So हम उधर तक जाने के लिए what we can do, we have to be very determined, we have to do hard work, and जो कर सकते हैं हम उसको पाने के लिए and उससे अच्छा पाने के लिए वो हम करेंगे. And it's like a motivation or a challenge that we are having in our life, and we are blessed that we are having that challenge, because जब हम challenge में होते हैं, जब हम struggles करते हैं, तो we do more than that particular thing that a particular one is doing. Yeah, in the debate competition, we had a topic that is internet creating thinkers or merely consumers of information. So I was the part of that debate, and one teacher has joined the school, which is I think she joined the school from DPS. So she was saying that the students of here are speaking so good that they are better from the other schools, other reputed schools. So I think we have created that reputation and we have created a quality in ourselves that we are not different from them, but we are also the part of them as well. So I think I feel that, and communications skills are really the one thing which is having every student in this school, in Lotus Petal Senior Secondary School. So we are not lacking, we are even growing and transforming. That's what I want to say.
Very nice. That is also the motto of the school, right? Changing lives one child at a time. Growing up as a teenager can be pretty confusing. So, and sometimes, you are misunderstood. So, have you experienced any such situations in your life or something which you are experiencing currently?
I think being a teenager in this current world, because teenagers really want to explore a lot of things. As being me, I really love to explore every field. So what happens with me, I particularly could not focus on one single thing, just like jack of all trades but master of none, but better than rest.
Eventually क्या होता है कि जब आप अपने किसी बड़े से बात कर रहे होते हो, तो आप जब उनसे बात करते हो and you share a point that is right and वो उनके point को contradict करता है, तो फिर they don't listen to you saying that कि आज ये छोड़ेंगे बच्चा, ये जो है ये हम साल मुझे हो गया, मैं ये मुझे क्यों बता रहा है. So that kind of उस प्लेस पे थोड़ा सा misunderstood feel होता है. And yeah.
So how do you come out of that situation, or how do you deal with it?
I just agree with them.
So you agree to disagree.
Yes.
So that's a very smart way to deal with it. Okay.
So basically, in my home, what is happening with me, as I love to explore internationals, so my parents are not aware of it, because they think it is it is very difficult to go out of the country, being in a middle class family. So they want me to do something which is within India, and it has to be something government secured, like that. So my parents is kind of forcing me to do something which is in the India only, not outside.
Government jobs.
Yeah,
So
government jobs.
so do you feel that their what has been their exposure to life, or where they are, what they want from you is much less than what you want from yourself? Is that the case?
I can add something.
Yeah.
इवेंचुअली सबके पेरेंट्स ही ये सब बोलते हैं कि तुम एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब ले लो या फिर एक बड़े ऑफिसर बन जाओ, क्योंकि ऐसा होता था कि उनके ज़माने में इंटरनेट टेक्नोलॉजी उतना आया नहीं था, तो उनके ज़माने में जो ये IAS IPS ऑफिसर्स, इनकी पोस्ट जो है उनका रिस्पेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सेइंग. एंड ये बात नहीं है कि हम लोग को हमारा उतना पोटेंशियल नहीं चाहते, वो हमारा उतना ही पोटेंशियल चाहते हैं, लेकिन वो आइए उतना तक ही सोच पाते हैं क्योंकि उनका टाइम वहाँ पे खत्म हो गया, इसीलिए.
They are not aware.
तो अगर हम उनको अवेयर कर दें कि जैसे कि मैंने भी अपने मम्मी पापा को बताया कि अभी चीजें बहुत बदल चुकी हैं, गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स का स्कोप उतना नहीं रहा क्योंकि कंपटीशन बहुत ज्यादा हो चुका है. सो मैंने उनको ये बताया एंड दे इवेंचुअली एग्रीड कि हाँ दैट्स द केस. सो
Very good. So you have been able to change the view of your parents so that they're able to see what you want to see for yourself as the future, right? Very good.
But actually, my father really understands me because he believes, as I'm an elder daughter in the family, so he believes in me that I can do something great for them because I'm the only child in the bloodline who can speak in English, who can explore, who can connect with people who can connect with people with out of the countries. So he believes that yeah, she can do it. So he has that belief in me. So I'm really proud of that.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Anything, Sandhya, you want to add?
It's actually my dad also supports me a lot, and
Yeah.
he understands me a lot. Means he knows about the today's era, so he is supporting me and I'm supporting him. So
Okay,
that's a great
okay.
one.
Okay, that is very good. So you're the eldest in the family, and your parents have high expectations from you. So do you feel the pressure of something that you have to become something important? Do you feel that kind of a pressure as you are growing up?
I really have a good answer. Actually, I really feel pressure. It happens with me every time. But what I did was I accepted, because of course within the time you have to accept things. So I actually accepted the pressure that even there was a time I actually felt that I can't do anything. Because the pressure was really very much. I couldn't even think that what am I, like what am I going to be, or will I be able to help my parents or not. So that thing that situation was very hard for me, but I overcome that because I tried new things. I executed the things which I really want to do. I explored myself and had a belief in myself that yes, Khushi, you can do it and you can give away to your parents what they are actually wanting.
Okay, very nice.
ऐसा तो होता है जब आप अपने घर के सबसे बड़े बेटे होते हो, तो सारा चीज आप ही के ऊपर आने वाला होता है, तो वो प्रेशर आपको पहले से ही फील होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. क्योंकि जब आपके पापा तो मेरे ऐसे नहीं बोलते, लेकिन मम्मी बोलती है कि जब मेरा बच्चा ये बन जाएगा तो ये करूँगी वो करूँगी, तो फिर कभी कभी मन में ये आता है कि क्या वो कर पाएगी, क्योंकि that thing वो जो है वो और एनकरेज करता है कि जो अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ वो शायद से इनफ नहीं है, तो आई हैव टू डू मोर, आई हैव टू वर्क इवन हार्ड एंड बी मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड, दैट मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को वो चीज दे पाऊँ जो वो जितना वो एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी कि मेरे मम्मी पापा को मैंने वो चीज दी जो वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। आई वॉन्ट कि मैं उनको अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग्स का एक्सपीरियंस करवाऊं एंड
So you want
लाइफ को
to
मेमोरेबल बना दूं।
so you want to go completely beyond their expectation and
Yes.
okay, okay.
Yes, I agree to Adarsh. Actually, I'm not an elder one. I am second child in my home, but I have a lot of things that I'm thinking that I want to experience. I want to feel. I want to make my parents feel that yes, they deserve this thing. So I want. I also want to do something beyond their imagination. And my dad has a lot of expectations.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have this fire that you want to become something and give a great life to your parents and also achieve something which is beyond what they could have imagined. So let me ask you, like, say 5 years into the future, where would you see you would be in that journey of achieving what you just shared? Like, how do you see yourself 5 years from today?
I see myself after 5 years an author, a great author.
Khushi?
So as I really talked about international, so of course I want to see myself globally because I love to explore the world. So this is how I am going to start my journey by connecting with people beyond the countries. So yeah, of course my actually the parents thinking was कि नहीं खुशी तो इंडिया तक ही सीमित रह सकती है बट वो आगे भी जाएगी एंड शी विल अचीव ग्रेटर थिंग्स। सो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को ये फील करवाऊंगी यस शी डिड इट एंड ऑल्सो माई बिगेस्ट एम इज टू गिव अ होम टू माई पेरेंट्स बिकॉज right now we are not having a home in our village, so I'll build a beautiful home where my mother can cook really well and she can spend her time with family and enjoy the life. That's what I want.
Very nice. Adarsh?
So 5 years from now, I must have completed graduation, and as a more realistic approach, I would have been working that what I want in life, and उतने टाइम पीरियड में मैं अपने मम्मी पापा या फिर अपनी पूरी फैमिली को उतना सब कुछ देने की कोशिश करूँगा जितना भी उस टाइम तक पॉसिबल है।
So what kind of graduation you want to pursue?
I want to graduate in technology, artificial intelligence, that क्योंकि वो अभी बहुत बड़ा स्कोप है this world because
Right.
it is raising very rapidly.
So when you look at your family, so is there something which they have gone through silently in order to support you to be where you are today?
Yeah, actually, my dad and mom, my parents support a lot because we are 5 children actually, and my daddy was get sick and she is at her home right now. So only my father is earning. So of course वो इतने अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं एंड बच्चों अपने सारे बच्चों की लाइक डिज़ायर्स पूरे कर रहे हैं। लाइक हमें जो मांगना भी नहीं होता he just gave that already. So I really like that how he managed the things and I can see कि in deep way that कितना वो सफ़र करते हैं एंड लाइक कितना कुछ उन्होंने झेला है। So this is why I want कि मैं अपने डैड एंड मॉम को बहुत अच्छा लाइफ दे सकूँ।
So as I said, I am the elder daughter, and I'm the so my father. I would really love to share his a small journey of his. So basically, my father experienced a lot when he was young.
Mm.
He lost his mother, he lost his father,
Mm.
and he's alone now.
Mm.
But he is not alone. He is having me. He is having a beautiful wife and a younger daughter of his. So basically, what I just want to say that my father really struggled a lot.
Mm.
He is managing a lot of things alone only,
Mm.
from the young to adult now. So जो चीज़ वो चाह रहे हैं कि मैं पढ़ूँ आगे और आगे बढ़ूँ, उनका नाम रोशन करूँ,
Mm.
तो वो चीज़ मैंने देखी है उनके अंदर कि ही नेवर फेल्ट वो उन्होंने अपने मदर और फादर का लव मिस किया है. सो
Mm.
व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम माय साइड दैट आई शुड गिव हिम दैट. I should give him the love that he really wants, and I would really want to fulfill his all dreams, which he really wanted to do when he was young.
Very nice. Thank you for sharing that. Adarsh, you want to share something?
इस दुनिया में जो आपके जो मम्मी पापा हैं वो ही इकलौते लोग हैं जो चाहते हैं कि आप उनसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे हो.
Mm.
सो उसके लिए वो उनके लिए स्ट्रगल मैटर नहीं करता कि उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा.
Mm.
दे जस्ट वांट कि आप उनसे भी ज़्यादा अच्छे बनो, उनसे भी ज़्यादा ऊपर जाओ.
So that silent effort that they have been putting in all these years is something which motivates you to make something of your life for them and for yourself. I would like to ask you one final question, which is like you're now in grade 11 and you have had a journey for a few years in the school. So if you were to meet a younger version of yourself, say who is in grade 1, then what advice will you give to that younger version of yourself
If I would meet my younger self, तो मैं
who is studying in grade 1?
स्टडिंग इन ग्रेड 1, मैं उसको यही कहूँगा कि तुम्हें जो मन कर रहा है वो करो, खाओ पियो सो खेलो, क्योंकि आगे चलकर तुम अपने मन की चीजें ज्यादा नहीं कर पाओगे.
Okay, that's a good
You
answer.
will be bonded in responsibilities. You will be means कि ये तुम चीजें नहीं कर पाओगे जो तुम अभी कर रहे हो. ये टाइम दोबारा नहीं आएगा.
Make the most of it.
Make the most of it.
Good.
Yeah, I would like to say my younger self that explore more and talk to everyone, because I do not talk to anyone. I wasn't having that much friends and when I was younger. So I want to tell कि बात करो, explore करो, जो करना है वो करो, जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है. That other said, yes. ताकि आगे चल के you can get the clarity, क्योंकि तुमने पहले सब कुछ एक्सप्लोर कर रखा होगा. You have the experience of everything, so you can get the clarity कि आगे चल के करना क्या है, what is meant for you. तो वो हेल्प करेगा.
I think when I was younger, I used to feel that I am not connecting with people. I'm not talking to anyone, and I really don't want to grow because ऐसी thinking तब तो आती ही नहीं थी. But I really want to suggest the younger version of myself that please enjoy your life. Please explore more. Please talk to them. Please talk to everybody in your surrounding, because what they can bring in your table is really something different, or you can never even imagine. So yeah, this is the one thing I really want to tell my younger self.
Very nice. Very good. So, this podcast has been very interesting, listening to, whatever you have in your hearts and minds. And before we finish, is there any question you want to ask me?
I also want to create a change in future. I also want to create an institution like this. So what inspired me to create this institution, to create the school and brings like us, student like us, yeah. What motivated you? What inspires you?
So we have to, we have to constantly look for what is our purpose in life, and we find purpose in many things. Different people find purpose in different things. So I found my purpose in service, and whatever I achieved in life or I'm still achieving is because I got education, health, and guidance at the right time. So I feel that giving it to children so that every child gets that opportunity of having education, nutrition, and the right guidance and support is very important. And doing this gives me a lot of joy and happiness, and that's why I do it. And it's a kind of a self-sustaining process, because when I do more of this, it gives me more joy, so I do more of it. So it's like self-sustaining, and that's why I do it.
One thing I want to add, it was your birthday. We were just discussing in the bus that अगर कुशल सर नहीं होते तो हम कहाँ होते? Like this.
तो कोई और होता है यहाँ पे जो we should always remember that we are not that important as we think we are. You wanted to ask something?
यही पूछना था कि जब आप कोई नई चीज स्टार्ट करते हो तो आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं कि आप ये चीज कर रहे हो, कि अगर ये चीज नहीं हुई तो क्या होगा, या फिर आपने पहला चीज क्या किया था, कि मतलब कि जब आपने ये चीज सोची तो सबसे पहली चीज करने का क्या दिमाग में आया था कि अगर ये करूंगा तो फिर ये चीज आगे चलेगी, मतलब ये इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाने का फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था?
So, see, an institution, when you think of making an institution, then the most important thing is that you have to plan it in such a manner that, or at least have that intent from the very beginning, that the place has to run without you. And if the place has to run without you, then what should be the ingredients of a place that it runs beyond you, right? So that means there needs to be a system, there needs to be a process, and before that there needs to be a vision, mission, culture. So, and how you are, making a lot of more people part of your vision and mission is only the way in which you can build an institution. Otherwise, it will grow and die with you. So that's how I see it, that I'm fortunate and blessed to have got this opportunity, and I need to discharge it in a way that it continues without me. So then only it's an institution. Otherwise, it is not an institution.
Thank you.
So that's a wrap on today's podcast. We heard about the inner world of Khushi, Sandhya and Adarsh today. The young people, how they see the world, and how people coming from modest backgrounds with education as an equalizer are able to dream of a life which will not only help fulfill their dreams but also of their families who have been supporting them. And it's so beautiful to see the kind of values they bring, where they want to achieve things for themselves and at the same time they want to make the world a better place and to take care of their families. Thank you.